Okay, very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is control flow. Okay, now what is control flow? The control flow is the order in which the program's code execute. The control flow of Python program is regulated by condition, statement, loop, and function call. Okay, so this is not only this line which you are seeing here, the program is regulated by the conditional statement, loop, and function call. It is not only the Python specific, it is for the all program, take all programming language, right? It is not specific for the Python, it is for the all other program also, right? So what is control flow? It is an order in which program, it is order in which the program code execute. Okay, it is order in which program code execute, right? So let's suppose I have given you A, you have taken A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to A plus B, and here you are giving print, here you are giving print, sum is, and here you are giving C. Okay, so this is the order of the order of execution is the first. You can see that the first this line will get executed. First this line will get executed, A is equal to 10, then this line will be executed, then this line will be executed, and finally this line will be executed. So the order of execution move from top to down. From here, the first this line get executed, then this line get executed, then this line get executed, then this line get executed. What you can see, this is called sequential execution. Okay, sequential. Okay, this is a sequential execution. Okay, this is called sequential execution of code. Okay, I hope you have understood it. I hope you have understood it. I hope you got it. This is called sequential execution. Sequence means you can see the sequence. The first it has been executed, second it has been executed, third it has been executed. So you can see this is called sequential execution. Now let me take another example. Now suppose here you have taken, A is equal to 10, and here you have taken, suppose here you have taken A is equal to 10, and here you have given, here we have taken B is equal to 20, and here we have written if A% 2 is equal to 0, and here we are writing print, this is even number, okay. So this is what this we are writing, now you see, and after this we are writing uh, okay, goodbye. Here we are writing print, okay, goodbye. Okay, we are writing okay, right? So see what is the execution, how the code get executed. So first of all, this code will be get executed, then this code will be get executed.
सर
हाँ,
सर आप मेरा स्नैप नहीं लैपटॉप पे व्हाट्सएप पे भेजिए ना लिंक
first this code will be get executed, then this code will be get executed, and then this will be executed, and after that, now see, A% 2. Now this one will be checked. If A% 2, okay, the value of A is 10, and if it is divided by 2, 2 5s are 10. Yes, it is divided. Then it will come in this. Then this block will be executed. When this block will be executed, this block which I have encircled with the 2, it will be executed only when this given condition which I am going to mark in the green, only when this statement is evaluated true. So this type of execution, now you can see in the first one, the code was sequentially executed. Now here the execution of, at least here the execution of this code. Here the execution of at least this code is based upon some condition. So this is called conditional execution. So this is an example of conditional execution. Okay, conditional execution is there. Okay, conditional execution, conditional execution, conditional flow. There is conditional execution, conditional execution of a statement. Okay, so you can see here. So this is I have told you, and third one, that is the repetitive, that is the repetition, where there is repetition. Now we will see it later on. So first, today in today's class we will discuss about the control flow, and basically we will deal about the two types of control flow. Okay, we will deal about the conditional control flow. See the sequential, just now I have told you, sequential are the set of statements whose execution process happen in sequence, whose execution process happens in sequence, right? Means first this code will be executed, and this code matlab sequentially it will be executed. So just now in the previous I had given you the example of, in the previous I had given you an example. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30, and here we have written print the sum is C. So this is here the sequential execution. It is not possible that this code, it is not possible that this code will be executed leaving this code. ठीक है, b इज इक्वल टू 20 को छोड़कर c इज इक्वल टू 30 एग्जीक्यूट कर जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, वेडनेसडे आ जाएगा तुमको ट्यूसडे को छोड़कर, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है. This is called the sequential execution of the code. Okay, this is called the sequential execution of the code. I hope you would have understood it. This is called the sequential execution of the code. So I don't think that you would have any problem in the sequential execution. Now, then is the selection execution of the selection. I have told you the code to be executed is selected. The code to be executed is selected. Okay, the code to be executed is selected. Just now I have told you, you will see the selection statement. The selection, this is also called as selection construct. Selection statement are also known as decision statements or the branching statement. ठीक है, selection statement allows the program to test the several conditions. Just now I told you, if today is Monday, okay, now suppose then general uniform, then wear general uniform. Okay, wear general uniform. Else if, okay, else if today is Wednesday. Okay, today is Wednesday. Wear house uniform. Wear house uniform. Like this means when you will wear the general uniform. If today is Monday, then means the execution of the code, it totally depend upon the condition. This is one example which I have cited. Okay, now some decision control. Now here you can see that the selection in Python, the selection statement are also a decision statement. Not only in Python, in every programming. Since I am teaching you Python, I will be studying the name of the Python. Okay, the selection statement allow programming to test. Now here the test the several conditions and execute the instruction based on which condition is true. Now decision control statement are of different type. We will see. आज हम लोग सिर्फ इसी को देखेंगे. Simple if else, nested if else if. हम लोग इस चीज को देखेंगे. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now we will proceed to the next, and we will see here. You can see this is called simple if. Like if today is now I'm not providing you the alternate option. I'm simply saying that if today is Monday, you will come to school. And some student if asked to else, sir, else I don't know. That means there is no else. There is no else. This is called simple if. Okay, this is called simple if. Means here there is no else available. If you can see here, this is the condition. Condition is shown by this sign. You here you can say this is the sign of the condition. Now, what is the condition here? Here this is the condition. You can see if it is divisible by 2. Okay, so you can write the condition here. If n percent 2 is equal to 0. So this is the condition. It may have only the two answer. That is either it is yes or it is no. If it is yes, then this block will be executed. Okay, if it is yes, then this block will be executed. If no, then no any option has been provided. अगर कोई ऑप्शन देना होता तो हम इस जगह पर यहाँ पर एक ब्लॉक बनाकर ऑप्शन देते. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पर ऑप्शन देते, मगर यहाँ पर कोई एल्स का ऑप्शन है ही नहीं. That you can see it in the coming program. It will be more clear. So you can see here. So this is the start. N is equal to, here it is 10. Here it is 10. The condition, this condition. Okay, if n is divisible by 2, you can write it like this. If n is divisible by 2, this you can write here like this. You can put this condition here, right? If n percent 2, okay, let me write n percent 2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, तो अब इसके बाद चाहे तो इसका दो ही इसका पॉसिबल आंसर हो जाएगा. if it is yes, it will move. If it is no, then it is this side. And if it is yes, this block will be executed. Now, now what is the status of this code? You can see here. This is this code. This is a conditional code. Now this code, execution of this code is totally based upon the condition. Okay, so since this is a conditional statement, so this is one of the example of the simple if. That is to check whether a number is even. That is to check whether a number is even. I'm not saying to check whether a number is even or odd. I'm saying I'm giving you only one condition to check whether a number is even. ठीक है, अगर हम odd भी बोल देंगे, यहाँ if के साथ हमें else भी लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, else भी लिखना पड़ेगा. Since we have not written else, this is called simple if. I hope you would have got it. Let's move to the next. Okay, here you can see. Now here we have got the if also and else also, right? If we have got the if statement also, and we have got the else statement also. Let's see. Suppose I told you that accept a number from the user and check whether it is even or odd. I'm saying you two things. Okay. In the former one, इसके पहले वाले में हमने क्या बोला था? एक number, you accept a number from the user and check whether it is even. Check whether it is even. There is only one condition. Now, when it is if along with the else, here we have got the by default there is the second condition, right? If else, check whether a number is even or odd. There is only two condition. अगर मान लो even नहीं हुआ तो odd हो जाएगा. Check whether a number is even or odd. In the former one, पीछे वाले में देखो, पीछे वाले के फ्लो चार्ट में हमारा क्या था? पीछे वाले के फ्लो चार्ट में ये वाला बॉक्स हमारा नहीं बना हुआ था. ये लाइन सीधे ऐसे जुड़ा हुआ था. हम बताए थे ना कि अगर यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स देंगे, यहाँ पर ऐसे बॉक्स देंगे, हम बताए थे. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग उसको देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, ये देखो यहाँ पर कंडीशन टू बी टेस्टेड. Suppose here we have taken n is equal to 5. The condition to be tested, n percent 2 is equal to 0. This is condition. It may result. अब इसका दो वैल्यू हो सकता है, या तो हाँ या तो ना. If it is yes, then we will. If it is yes, then we will say it is even. And if it is false, means no. If it is not divisible by 2, then we will say odd. So I hope the code is available here. Okay, I hope it is available here. You can see it. You can see it, right? So next, same things we can, if same thing, if I write it, I will take it like this. The first line will come here, n is equal to 5. I have written here. Then next, if n% 2, यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ if नहीं लिखेंगे, क्योंकि देखो ये जो मार्क है वो if का ही मार्क है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर if नहीं लिखेंगे, हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ ऐसे लिख रहे हैं n%2 is equal to 0, ठीक है, is equal to 0, हम सिर्फ ऐसे लिख दिए। यहाँ पर चेक करेगा, ये चेक का कंडीशनल ब्लॉक है, ठीक है। अब इसका वैल्यू या तो ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा। ट्रू होगा तो क्या लिखेगा, n इज इवन, यहाँ पर क्या लिख देगा, n इज इवन, ठीक है। और अगर गलत, अगर ऐसा नहीं है, इफ इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल, सो वेयर इट विल गो, प्रिंट n इज ऑड, ये यहाँ आ जाएगा, ठीक है, इस जगह पर आ जाएगा, n इज odd इस जगह पर आ जाएगा। So this is, I have a pictorial representation of program, pictorial representation of construct. I hope you would have understood it. Okay. Moving to the next, we have now when we have multiple condition. In the former one, I told there is only one condition. ठीक है, मैंने सिर्फ एक कंडीशन कहा कि check whether a number is divisible by 2. दूसरे वाले में मैंने क्या कहा, check whether a number is even or odd. पहले वाले में सिर्फ बोला even, check whether a number is even. दूसरे इसके पहले वाले में क्या बोले, check whether a number is even or odd. Now in the next, here we have got the multiple decisions, multiple decisions. Okay, multiple conditions. If, else, else. Okay, you can see here. If it has been written here, if, else, else. It will become more clear when you will solve the program. I will give you ample time. Now let's see here. Now see here. Here we have taken A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 15. Okay. So here we have taken if. Here we have taken if A is greater than, B. Okay. Oh, then this code will be, then this code will be executed. Okay. Else this code will be executed. Else this code will be executed. Sorry. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. See, this is if else. This is also an example of nested if else. I can show you. Wait 1 minute. This is. So this is if, and here else, and here else. Okay. You forget this. You forget this. Wait 1 minute. I'm giving you example. You forget this thing here. Okay. You forget this. Now you can see here if, else if what it has been written here, if, else if, else. Okay. Now here there, how many conditions are there? Here there is one condition. Here it is having one condition, second condition, and here it is third condition. Okay. So when there you have got the multiple condition. So the condition to check, here it is. If it is true, it will be executed. If not, this will be checked. If not, again here one condition you can provide. Again this will go this side. If not, again here will be condition. So here it is. This is an example of multiple condition. Okay, but if, else, else, it will become more clear. It will become now. Next to it, we have nested if else. ठीक है, ये वाला पीछे का कोड था, ये यहाँ पर गलती से मुझसे लिखा गया था, ये पीछे वाले का कोड था। ठीक है, देखो यहाँ भी इसमें भी चलेगा। if के अंदर में if है, ठीक है, if के अंदर में you can see this code. Okay, this code. Okay, it will be executed when A is greater than B. Okay, then so if is inside the if के अंदर में if है, so this is called nested if. Okay, pictorially it can be represented like this. Okay, it will become more clear. It will become more clear when you will have some hand on. Okay, it will become more clear when you will have some hand on. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Here you have got some of the. Here you have got some of the questions. Okay, some of the question which will help you. Which will help you to understand the concept. Here you can see. Write a program to accept a number from the user and print if it is even or odd. Okay, I hope you can do it. Next, here write a program to accept two number from the user. See, when it is the concept of even or odd. Okay, then here you will check that very number. Here you will check that very number. Like suppose here you can take it remainder and suppose you have taken a number. Okay, and number is equal to you have taken 10. Then you are supposed to check it. Okay, remainder is equal to num percent 2. Okay, now if the remainder is 0, if remainder is 0, you will apply here if, right? If remainder is equal to 0, mind it, एक चीज दिमाग में डाल लो, जब भी if लिखेंगे, ठीक है, तो अंत में कोलोन जरूर देंगे यहाँ पर, ठीक है, ये यहाँ पर कोलोन जरूर देंगे. if remainder is equal to 0, तो यहाँ पर हम यहाँ पर कोलोन, अंत में कोलोन जरूर देंगे. दूसरा, इसके बाद ये जो भी हम लिखेंगे वो ब्लॉक में लिखेंगे, इंडेंटेशन को फॉलो करेंगे, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम अपना जो भी काम करना है उसको हम यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. तो राइट सो एंड सो कंडीशन, यस इट इज इवन, और इसी का एल्स, तो ठीक इसके सामने आ जाएगा, ऐसे एल्स आ जाएगा. पहला वाला क्वेश्चन में इफ एल्स है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. अभी तुम लोग इसको बनाओगे और अभी हमें दिखाओगे. You will solve it of your own. ठीक है. Next, next question we have, write a program to accept two number from the user and test the divisibility of first number with the second number. ठीक है. So here you will take one number. Suppose you have taken one number is equal to 10 and second number you have taken second number you have taken. Suppose second number you have taken 5. Second number you have taken 5. B is equal to 5. Okay, B is equal to 5 and divisibility. Again here you will take the remainder. Okay, remainder is equal to A by B. Okay, and now you check the remainder. If the remainder is 0 and divisibility is true, divisibility of first number with the second number, that is true. You will solve it. Okay, write a program to calculate the area or perimeter based on the choice of user. Write the program to calculate the area or perimeter. Okay, मान लो here you will accept the radius. Suppose you have taken here r is equal to here you have taken 3.14. Now, okay, if now ask the press. Suppose you ask, take input box, take input चॉइस है कि यहाँ पर ले लो यूजर से ch, ठीक है, ch इनपुट बॉक्स, ch इनपुट, enter 1 for area and 2 for perimeter. ठीक है, 2 for perimeter ऐसे लिख लिए. अब यहाँ पर चेक करेंगे if ch is equal to 1. ठीक है, if ch is equal to 1, then you will write the form ar is equal to, तो इसके सामने आ जाएगा इंडेंटेशन खुद से मेंटेन हो जाएगा, तुम बना के देखो. ठीक है, ar is equal to यहाँ पर ले लेंगे 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14 into r. कैपिटल ऊपर में लिखे, नीचे में स्मॉल हो जा रहा है, तुम लोग अपना उसको सही कर लेना. फिर उसके बाद लिख लोगे if ch is equal to 2 तो यहाँ पर फिर अगेन यू विल राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द पेरीमीटर, ठीक है। और ये 3 क्वेश्चन है, पहले इसको बना लो, ठीक है, यू सॉल्व इट, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लिया जाए, उसके बाद फिर हम और आगे बताएंगे।